Hello children. So let us continue with our chapter, that is chapter number 9, congruence of triangles. So children, in our last video we have learned two tests, that is SSS test and SAS test. So let us continue with our next congruence test, that is angle side angle criterion or ASA congruence test. So it states that if two angles and the side included between those angles of a triangle are equal to corresponding two angles and the included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So let us see taking this example. Here I have taken two triangles ABC and DEF. See, it is given here that angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Side BC, that is side between these two angles, included between these two angles, is equal to side EF. So these two triangles will be congruent by ASA test. Once I prove that these two triangles are congruent, then the remaining parts of this triangle will also be congruent. So let us see how to write this. So I start with naming the triangle, that is in triangle ABC and DEF. Angle ABC is equal to DEF, side BC is equal to side EF, that is it is the included side. Then angle ACP is equal to DEF. So these two triangles will be congruent by ASA test. Now once I prove the two triangles are congruent, the remaining congruent parts, that is angle A will be equal to angle D, side AB will be equal to side DE, side AC will be equal to side DF, and the reason will be CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So children, let us now come to the next test, that is right hypotenuse side criterion. The name itself tells that it must be applicable for right angle triangle. So let us know what it is. So if the hypotenuse and any side of a right angle triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and side of another right angle triangle, then the two right angle triangles are congruent. So the first condition is that the two triangles must be right angle triangle. Second, the hypotenuse must be equal in both the triangles, for both the triangles, and any of one side of the right angle triangle must be equal. Then if they are equal, then the two triangles will be congruent by RHS test. So let us see. I have taken two right angle triangle, that is one triangle is ABC and second is DEF. So here it is given that the hypotenuse AB is equal to hypotenuse DE and angle C is equal to angle F, that is 90 degree equal to 90 degrees. One of the side, that is BC, is equal to side EF. So I can say that those two triangles are congruent by RHS test. So how will I write? Let me see that in triangle ABC and DEF. So I have written here hypotenuse AB is equal to hypotenuse DE. Side are equal, that is side BC is equal to side EF. And angle C is equal to angle F, that is equal to 90 degree. So these two triangles will be congruent by RHS test. So now remaining parts, that is angle A will be equal to angle D, angle B will be equal to angle E, and side AC will be equal to side DE. So the reason will be by CPCT. So let us now. So children, let us continue with next one, that is AAS criterion. It is also known as SAA test also. So it says that if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and one side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. That is by AAS test or SAA test. So let us take an example. That is, I have taken a triangle ABC and DEF. Here angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and side AC is equal to side DF. Okay, so now the two triangles will be congruent by SAA or AAS test. Now let us see how to write this. So first name the triangles, then we will write angle ABC is equal to DEF, that is, it is given in the figure. Angle ACB is equal to DEF and side AC is equal to side DF. So the triangle ABC is equal to triangle DEF by SAA test. So once I know that these two triangles are congruent, now I can say that angle A is equal to angle D, side AB is equal to side DE, side BC is equal to side EF by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So let us now know that there are two rules like ASS rule and AA rule that is not applicable for congruent triangles. So with this, let us stop here and continue in our next video. Thank you, children.